All right, it's here. It's time for Harbor Freight's Spring Black Friday sale, and we're going to cover what all the items are that you should be buying at this sale. Now, if you want a coverage of all the items, go check out our video. We leaked this sale 3 weeks ago. Of course, you know that because you're subscribed and you're ringing the bell and all that. You're not? Ring the bell, fools. That's how you get all the information. We are the top channel covering everything at Harbor Freight. If you want to know all the inside stuff, you got to follow us. But that said, let's go through what's going on right now that you should be taking a look at. So first off, we're going to talk about the U.S. General Cabinet here. Now this is this 56-inch by 22-inch roll cabinet in 8 lovely colors, including the new slate gray and of course white, the way it should be. But the point is, $800. Is that the best price ever? No, it's not, okay? It's gone for less than that. But those were like one-day sales that happened like unexpectedly out of the blue moon, happens once a year kind of thing. And if you've got the patience to wait around and be like, hey, I'm going to wait for next Black Friday, maybe Christmas, who knows, maybe this will happen again, hey, then good on you. But for everyone else who's like, hey, I need this and this is a solid price, this is a good buy price, okay? So next up, we got to talk about the Predator generator right next to it. That's the 5,000 watt, dual fuel, super quiet, fully enclosed inverter generator. It also has remote start and the CO Secure tech. This is probably the best all-around generator the Harbor Freight has, okay? Super quiet, remote start, dual fuel, puts out a ton of power. It's become the go-to, replacing the 3500 generator. It's the go-to RV camping generator. It's a decent home backup generator. It's a great job site generator. It just really kind of fits all those different roles. And it's $789. It's actually $10 less than the bottom sale price that we always see. Now, Harbor Freight usually has 3 different sale prices: the meh sale price, the it's okay, and the buy it now. This is $10 below that. Again, was there at some point in time a one-day sale that out of the blue? And yeah, maybe, okay. But this is still a solid price if you're looking for this generator, all right? And springtime's, it's here. Camping season's here. Fishing and parties, birthday parties, it's time to grab your generator. Storms are coming around. Time to grab a generator. Okay, next to that, we got the Badlands Apex winch. This is the top of the line. Your choice, synthetic or steel rope. It's on sale for $480. This is the go-to top of the line winch from Harbor Freight, and it is completely taken over the overland off-road world. Everyone's going with this winch. Pros use it, recovery companies, Matt's Off-Road Service uses it. Everybody, and I'm up here in Montana, we see lots of off-roading. Everybody has switched to this winch. I'm sorry, I know all the old school guys are going to go, Warren and Super, and no, sorry, this is it. Everyone has this on their builds, and it works. I've seen it time and time again. It works just fine. All right, now let's talk about the big go-to one, and that's going to be this coupon right here, okay? This is the in-store only 35% off Icon, all pliers, screwdrivers, and hammers. Now, here's what I'm going to say about this. Hammers, okay, there's a few hammers. If you need a hammer, it's a great pickup. Screwdrivers, I'm not a big fan of the Icon screwdrivers. It's not that they're bad. I'm particular when it comes to my screwdrivers. I like the Vessels, I like the Weras and the Weehas, stuff like that. But when it comes to the pliers, and granted, I'm a Knipex fanboy. I have Knipex all over the place. I have a ton of Knipex, but you know what else I have? I have a ton of the Icon stuff, and I have a ton of the Doyle. I'm a big fan of the Doyle. Now, here's the difference. Doyle is what they consider their contractor grade, and the Icon is the professional automotive. And these are you can pick up a nickel with them kind of things like Snap-on has, because I'm often picking up nickels with my screwdrivers. Anyway, they're a pretty cool set of screwdrivers. So here's pliers. So here's the deal with these. What you're looking at is 35% off all of them. All of these. Now, some people, again, it's one of those taste kind of feels. If you don't like this style of grip or something, I get it. Go with the other ones. But, brother, you could really just, in one sweep, just redo all your pliers selections and have all top-of-the-line pliers, lifetime warranties, whole 9 yards. If you've been waiting to upgrade your pliers, this is the time to do it. And you're going to want to be there Monday because these are going to blow out quick. They're going to blow right through them, which means you're going to need to be inside track, because and I think it's on the flyer here. Let me pull it back up. Monday, April 7th through Thursday, April 10th is Inside Track Club early access only. So everyone else has to wait till Friday, and it's Friday through Monday. So it's nice. It's a full week-long sale. But that said, all the hot items are going to be gone by the weekend. It's just the way it's going to be, because people have been clearing shelves when it comes to these big coupons like this. Next one up, 35% off all jack stands. And I can't tell you enough. I'm going to put some video up here. This is my Ram 3500 with the Cummins diesel on two of the jack stands, two 610 jack stands, and the Badlands overlanding jack there. So again, I can't say enough. And again, these things are going to fly out the door. These are the new and improved jack stands. They have the enhanced the cuts in them, the ratchet mechanism, as well as the safety key that goes through it, as well as a safety pin that locks the key in place. You got triple security on these to keep you safe. Anyway, and the next item next to that is the welding supplies. If you're a welder, if you like to glue metal to metal, this, and I say glue, I'm joking, but it's 50% off, 50% off all the Vulcan stuff. This is just the time to stock up. You buy a year's worth of stuff right now. There's just no reason not to. Okay, next below it, I'm going to talk about this one. The Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile jack with rapid pump for $90. That is a stellar deal, okay? At 90 bucks, I mean, is it as pretty as the Daytonas? No. Does it have all the colors? No. But you know what? It's a jack, and it's the low profile, which means it's all going to lift higher as well. $90 is a great price on that jack, okay? Springtime, we got to talk about the auger. The auger, that's a great price at 170 bucks. That is a fantastic auger there. All right, the painter's good. That's the buy it now sale price on the Icon stool. That's a solid price there on the Bauer pressure washer. Let's go to the next page here. We got more generators. And again, springtime, you got camping, you got outdoor events, you got spring storms. And how many tornadoes did you just have across the Midwest? It's time to get yourself some backup power, okay? Now, look at this. We're seeing the first time the 13,000 watt tri-fuel is going on in a significant sale, $1,000 on this. That is all the juice, man. 13,000 watts, tri-fuel, remote start, CO secure. The only thing negative about this is that it's not a fully enclosed inverter generator. One of those is coming soon here. They're coming with the new one. But if you want the one that I have, which is right down here, and yes, this is one, Harbor Freight sends us lots of stuff, but we wanted to jump on this. My wife is like, she wants to feel secure. So we ran out, we bought this one as soon as it came out, and can't be happier about it. That's the 9,500 watt super quiet inverter generator, fully enclosed. $1,800 is actually less than we bought it for at launch. This is a pre-pandemic price on this. Definitely grab that generator. It is totally worth it. Now, if you want the old school 3,500, that used to be the standard RV camping generator right there till the 5,000 dual fuel came out, but that doesn't mean it's not still a good generator. All right, then we got the chipper shredder. If you want to clean up after winter, this is the way to do it, $480. Are you okay? Name that movie reference. See if you can do it, all right? The Atlas, again, I'm not a fan of the Atlas products. It's not that they're good products. They're very good products. I just think that they're priced a little high. There's no warranty included. I mean, this is a 90-day. And they're basically made by Greenworks. And I think you can get the same thing from Greenworks on sale, better deals, longer warranty. I don't know how Harbor Freight is still managing to do this. I don't know. But next to it is the Portland pressure washer. $68. If you're looking for a budget pressure washer, it's not top of the line, it's not amazing, but if you're just looking for a cheap little pressure washer for $68, that's the buy it now kind of price. All right, let's keep going here. Next page here, we got, oh, don't forget, they got the portable kite here for $170. All right, the 4-drawer tech cart. I'll be honest, people don't like when I say it. I like it better than the 5-drawer. I don't think the 5-drawer is all it's cracked up to be. I don't like the way the drawers are divided. You get the little small drawers and the other small drawers. I like this. I think 2 small drawers, 2 big drawers, the flip top, and $170. That's the right price for me. I think it's a great tech cart. We're going to be doing a review on that. Of course, we got a review of this cart here. That's this one. I still owe you the review on it. I've already shot it. I just got to post it. All right, let's keep going. We got the 3-ton long reach, low profile, rapid pump. This is my favorite Daytona jack. It's got the little mini foot pedal back here that gets to the quick rise. Then you go, once you get it up and make contact with your car or truck, then you go to the long bar here. $179 on that, $180 and 4 colors. Of course, I've got it in green. Love that jack. We got the 2-ton professional racing jack for you kids racing on Fridays. $170. Be safe out there, folks. All right, let's talk about we don't talk about this enough. The RoadShock off-road lights. What a value these things are. Being able to walk into a retail store, buy a good solid set of off-road lights at a fair price. We need to talk about those more. I think the Badlands winches over here, wench. People always like to correct my pronunciation. If it gets me a beer one way or the other, what do you care? All right, anyway, I'm gonna get in so much trouble for that. Let's keep going here, Dada. Not a fan of the Viking. I know they probably will work, but there's just better deals out there. You've watched Deals of the Week. We come out with ones that are better than that all the time. Let's see. Nothing here that's super. Get a pair of ramps. Don't hurt yourself trying to load your ATVs, okay? Next up, we've got the Yukon. $300. That's a buy it price on that Yukon cabinet. I got to tell you, for a budget workbench, that is a great cabinet. For a side table for barbecuing, for the craft room. If you're into photography, a lot of guys I know doing photography, they store all their equipment in these. They put all their lenses across the top, pack it with foam, the whole 9 yards. That's a great price. The workbench next to it, the 48-inch with the light, that's actually, once you put it together yourself, don't go by what you see in store. People have shaken it, then they put it together right. For $100, that's actually that's a throwback kind of price. And next to that, we've got the U.S. General 6-drawer full bank service cart for $500. That is this cart. This is the full bank cart. Here's how you should look at this. This is essentially the 46-inch U.S. General turned on its side. All right, because you're getting this. Actually, I think you get more storage space with this than you do with the 46, and it takes up less vertical room. It's a little bit taller than your average cart, but think about it. If you're a pro, you obviously already get why this is an amazing cart. It locks, everything's set up, you're ready to go. But I've kind of missed looking at this for the average DIYer. I'm like, why wouldn't you get the one with the workbench? What if you're working out of a one-car garage? What if space is limited? A lot of guys don't like doing getting those big, the U.S. Generals because they take up so much space lengthwise. Well, this makes it all vertical. You get a ton of storage in this. All the stuff you're mainly going to use. And as you can see, I got magnet storage stuff all over this thing because, at home, I'm not really going to close it. So why even bother? I got all my wrenches up there. I got sockets. I got pliers. I got bits and stuff on the side. I can put some WD-40 cans and stuff over here. And then I've got everything else down in all the drawers here. It's a ton of storage. So think about that. If you're a DIYer at $500 versus that 46-inch US General, you can go vertical and get as much, if not more, storage in a smaller footprint. Anyway, let's keep going here. We got the wet dry max. Those are decent prices. This is a good price on the Sawhorse at $50. We just saw a pair of the Sawhorses on a pretty good sale from another brand for $104, $106. So being able to buy them one at a time for $50 is a really good price. We got $87.99 on the mobile service tray. That's solid. Look at this Quinn Master Set. For those people who have been looking at it, that's 25% off, down to $300 there. That's a huge deal. Again, I love the Apache cases. Is that the best price I've ever seen? It's pretty close, folks. It's pretty close. You can see it from here, that's for sure. All right, let's go to the next page here. How about this? We've got the 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw for $300. We got the planer for $350. Those are both solid buy it now prices. Have there been better prices? Yes, there's been a rare one-day sale here or one-day sale there, and if you're willing to wait 6 to 8 to 10 months for the next sale to save $30 off of that, I think maybe it was $20 off of that, then by all means go for it. All right, but if you need it now, this is a solid price on these, and they've proven themselves at this point. They've just proven it. The discussion's over as far as that's concerned. They're fantastic for the money. All right, now let's keep going here. We got the 20-volt Ultra Torque. This is the Hercules. Look at this. This is tool only, bare tool. $175. I absolutely love the Hercules on this. We got the random word sander there for $40. We got the SDS Max type rotary hammer there for $170. That's fantastic. Let's look at the Bauer stuff. This, for the Bauer gang, This is just, I can't believe they came out with an impact wrench like this. It's a high torque, 1,000 foot-pound at least. It's the full kit. You're getting the battery, you're getting the charger, you're getting the impact. $140. That is a ridiculous price. All right, we got to talk about the decent recip saw, corded recip for $35. That's a good solid price. How about this? The short throw polisher for $35. Batteries, we got the single 1.5 for $20. We got the 3 amp hour for $35. The corded impact for you just changing tires and big stuff like that for $50. That's not a bad deal. And this impact wrench is absolutely fantastic. Brushless, quarter-inch hex, 3-speed with the halo or the tri-lights on it. Coming in at $60 for the full kit, battery and charger included. Deep cup bandsaw, $90. Again, we're talking throwback pricing here. I even like this multi-tool at $30. That is solid. And my favorite heat gun that Harbor Freight sells, the Bauer heat guns, it's at $25. And the rotary tool at $15. Those are all buy it kind of prices on it, all right? Last page, all right? This one's going to be, it's going to be a bit of a letdown, all right? This is standard pricing. Standard pricing. Yeah, that's standard pricing as well. Again, standard price. And when I say standard pricing, what I mean is, as I said before, the 3 sales levels. That's kind of the standard sale we see on all of these. Nothing really to write home. The titanium welder, that's a pretty decent price at $120. But we show you the ones from Arc Captain and Yes Welder that go even cheaper than that all the time. The titanium 200 processor multi-welder dual voltage for $700. That's a solid sale price on that. But again, the final page here, just not a lot to write home about. But I'm going to tell you, the big win here is going to be the Icon pliers. All right. I think all 3 of these are a solid choice. I think the jack stands, they're going to go fast. They're going to fly out the door. All right. So it is the takeaway is it's time to stock up on jack stands and it's time to stock up on pliers. All right. Let me know what you're looking for down below in the comments. What do you think is going to be the best deals for you? Because it's always going to be different for everybody. But anyway, that's all we got. So anyway, if you like what we do here, don't forget to chomp the old like button, smash the subscribe, ring the bell on your way out. You all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.